So I got a pretty good plan. Think he thinks so. He thinks I
What
have
you
a good
got?
plan. All right. Well, I mean, so obviously the thing I was concerned about yesterday has been wiped out. We are staying above the area that I was worried about yesterday after it came
Yep.
back yesterday afternoon. So I can feel really confident on scaling into the longs. But I do think like we may see some swings today that we can actually get in some traditional type trades on. So I'm gonna keep one chart open for like an actual ES trade,
For actual big tick setup.
big tick ES setup with the minis, not the micros. I'm gonna keep one open, but I think this is gonna be a setup for like 6 micros. To be honest with you, as a matter of fact, we should probably do it now.
Okay.
As a matter of fact, so all right, that's my thought on that one. Other than that, I think on the MNQ, um, the NQ. Let's see here. This should be a decent spot for the long. Yeah, this should be a really decent level. For maybe it should have waited a little bit lower, but this should work. This should be fine. Um, so same thing on the NQ here, except for it staying almost identical. I mean, this is a nice little setup happening on the MNQ on the NQ as well. Get another wick on the bottom there, or this candle finishes above the last one. Then we start looking at taking the long above that midpoint. But definitely think if all things stay the same and we don't go much lower this morning, we've got to pretty much buy everything, you know?
I like that plan. It's kind of what I'm thinking. I'm actually already long on the NQ and about to get in here on the. Did you get in on the ES?
Hmm? Yeah,
No.
yeah, yeah. And I'm
$2,000 tick.
waiting here to get long on the. Yeah, I haven't changed the ES. I leave it on 2000 tick all the time.
Yeah, I'm just looking.
Well, I haven't. I just like the 15. I don't know why I like the 1500 tick on the NQ, but it works. So this should be a decent little spot for us if it doesn't break down. I mean, I could move my stop lower because let's see here. Just spread this out a little bit. I mean, the level is somewhere around where we're at. Like this is just about as good as any. Or
A pretty good stop. You could go there, but that's
that'd
pretty
be,
deep.
yeah, that'd be a little aggressive. I mean, I can just always get back into it. What is it? A hole? Nah, this trade should work. There's another wick. This 26 ticks. We'll see. And
I like the I like the wicks there, so that's a good
yeah,
sign.
yeah, this should be good.
Holding the 89. We'll see.
This should be good. U.S. Iran both warned with talks in limbo. We're prepped for war. I thought we were already at war. What in the world is going on here? We're already at war. Thought that was a thing. What's up, Stretch, Tom? Come on. You can do it. This is not About 3 minutes. This thing should start moving. Start moving up.
You know. My dad.
What?
Oh, he's he likes his guns. Like an American Express. He don't leave home without it.
90 and still carrying guns around?
He don't play.
Dang.
But you've never met my dad. When you meet my dad, you're gonna. When I say you think of 90, and that is not my dad. I mean, easily 75,
Okay.
80 max. I mean, he's the most incredibly healthy person you've ever seen in your life.
Crazy.
I know. But I mean, that's his family, though. His side of his family, everybody. My grandmother lived to 100. My great grandmother, 104.
Oh, wow.
My grandfather was like 99, 98, something like that. You know,
Wow.
I don't know. That guy could change. I don't know if I got that side of the family, but I hope I did. I mean, think about it. Cobb County, Paulding, Cherokee, all these counties give him, he does mediations for the court systems. I mean, obviously, if he wasn't capable, they wouldn't be putting him in, letting him mediate cases.
No, that's true.
He's got like a freaking 90% solve rate, like closure rate. He's got one of their
Wow.
best. I know. He's good at what he does.
Wow.
He doesn't practice anymore. Like he helps his partner, but he doesn't have any like clients. Oh, what was that?
Nothing more than something to take stops out. I told you at
What the heck?
923 you would get some movement,
Yeah.
didn't I?
Yeah.
Well, we got movement at 923.
Wow.
That was going to pop up and give me some juice on it. Nine twenty-three. Well, how did I guess that right on time? They literally just went down, take stops, and pulled it right back to where it's at.
Yeah.
So smart. So smart.
Oh.
All right, I'll be back right before the open.
Take a quick restroom break for the open. Be right back. Right. Let's get ready for the open.
Well, maybe this time put a little buy stop in up here.
Yeah.
It looks like it should be there for both, doesn't it?
I mean, yeah. I mean, like I said,
It
I'm
sure
I'm,
does
I'm
for the
already
longs.
in the NQ, but yeah, I agree.
Smart a little bit. It sure is tempting to jump in now, isn't it?
I think a
We got
break of that might be smarter.
a couple seconds till the open here.
Yeah.
Oh no,
Shoot.
let it go and get the order. I'm I got one long on a couple accounts on the MES. That's about it. We'll see what we get with this open. Down on the M and Q, up on the
There we
ES.
go.
That's crazy. And well, I guess if it takes off now, it's definitely gonna be a long, huh?
Yeah. It's definitely.
I
Oh
can't
shoot,
believe
that
it
took
didn't.
my
Look at
target.
that! Wow.
Damn it, shot up and took my target on that NQ. I didn't even realize that.
Yeah, canceling that puppy.
Okay. Well, all right then. She's
Let's
going
go
down.
a little bit lower.
Going down.
Man, it's about where I have a level.
Yeah. How far down does this want to go?
Here. Do have a level here. Should be it. Somewhere around here.
Wow.
What?
This thing's just going to keep dumping, isn't it?
Let's see. Looks like a long setup happening on the ES.
And
Yeah, it looks like a long setup to me. Let's see.
should we take? Oh,
I'm scaling in, like I said, on two accounts. So this is heavy as I want to be right now. I took one loss already today. I don't want. I'm just gonna be patient. I don't want to get too heavy on this
yeah.
commitment with the down move like this. I mean, I'll give myself about what? I think about $250 of wiggle room on it. So I can go down a good ways. But I mean, obviously, I don't want to go on down to where, yesterday ended. Down here it gets awfully scary into short territory, even though it came out here before.
Yeah. Well, how much further down is that? Yeah.
71.48, I guess. 7.6, somewhere around there. 46. Really, the last place you probably look is down here. It is. Here's the level right here. It's a better level here. This is a much, much better level. Where's Tom at? I could teach him levels right now.
Yeah. Right. Tom
This is level
is
training right
not
here,
in the
buddy.
room.
This is the better level here at 34. I can handle that though. I mean, I'm only one deep on one and two deep on another. So,
I'm looking to scale in on this NQ. I think I might get in here.
well,
And
that's
the
that's what I'm
ES.
considering doing too. The exact. That's bingo. That's what I'm thinking.
I'm going to do it.
Do one now.
And let if it comes down, it comes down.
Whoa. That's supposed to be one, not six, Brian. Let's see where we need to go down to on the NQ to make that a good decision. We can go down to. So
Yeah, give me a second. I'll be right back.
Okay. Where's my level back here? Let's see. That could be looked at as a good level. I mean, right about where it's at, somewhere in this area. Really decent level. Well, what we're looking at 720, we know that's a level. And you could really probably get down to looking at something down here. I don't know if that's the level I'm looking for though.
Hey, I forgot to take the garbage out. Had to run out before the garbage man.
So about right where the NQ came to was the level that I was looking for. It's a really good level right here, up here on the top side. That's a good target area. Yeah, so took me a second to figure that out, but here's my ad spots. Even up to like right here is not a bad area. I just don't. Somewhere in the middle here is a decent spot. thinking somewhere. It's clear of an inclination on that one. Message time.
I'm in one now, so see what happens.
Yeah, got a good ways we could go up, don't we?
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of in the middle, so I guess I'll do one. I'll do one MNQ here with you. And I'll either take profit at $100 on the way up or add two more on the way down. How about that?
I'm in it with you, so I'll do the same.
Probably get it heavy down at the bottom instead of, I don't want to add one here. I'll just wait until it gets, or if it swings down and gets a decent buy signal, I'll add one, like just a good setup. I really like the 7135 area I found here on the ES. I like that as a good level. But obviously, we know that 720 level on the NQ is pretty strong.
Ugh. All right. Give me a second. I gotta be right back. Jeez.
Guys, I'm here, but I'm actually on the road already, but I'm gonna
Oh,
just listen in.
let's talk about levels. Levels. Looking for the good the good level for this morning. Good levels to trade from this morning. Obviously, this is easy. It's kind of easier when you have brand new levels, but sometimes harder. Here it's kind of easier because we've got clear rejection areas. So what are you looking for in a level? If you're using a tick chart, you're looking for price to just reverse from there often. But you're also looking for price to stay at that level often. And then which side of that level does price stay on? The upside? Which side? This is something I can't teach you way on the road. But you got to look at price action. Price is around there, but where does price stop most often at? That's the level. Where price stops most often at is the level. But you want to see those pure rejections from that level as well, meaning price comes to the level and just completely reverses like on a dime. So you see.
So would you draw your level at the lowest candle and the one and move it to where it touches it the most?
Well, okay. So what I'm actually looking for is price. I don't know if you can see my screen. Price coming down in this choppy range bound stuff. I'm looking for the spot that it kind of just stops at most often in it.
Okay.
But I also want to confirm that by looking back here and seeing places where price comes to this level and just gets rejected. The better one is back here where it swings up, rejection, swings up, rejection, comes back down and retests on the way up and continues. That to me makes it a great level. So you want two elements. You want an element of price staying there for a little while, like it did yesterday afternoon, and then you want the other element of price being rejected, coming back and retesting in the opposite direction. When you can put both of those together, then you know it's a good level, meaning that it's traded from both sides. So if that level is traded from both sides, that's a bona fide really good level, like the 720 level we found on the NQ from a couple days ago. That's a really good level because we know prices stayed there for a little while, but we also saw pure rejections coming up to the level, swings up to the level. Pure rejections swings down to the level. And then that period of time where price just stayed at that one spot, did not move from there for, I mean, how many times that one day it got rejected? Like 10 times in a matter of like 20 minutes. That point, that's a strong level. You know that's a strong level at that point.
Okay. And what time frame are you setting your levels up on?
Sorry,
Tick chart,
hold
right?
on 1 second.
All right.
Sorry about that, guys. Had to take care of that. So what was the last question?
Sorry, something else came in at the same time. What time frame are you using to establish your levels?
Multiple time frame analysis. So for the most part, I mean, lately, as I see it develop here on the tick charts, especially with fresh price action, you don't need a time frame. You can use your tick chart and just look where price stops and reverses. But when you have older time frame, like older levels, like when you're going to go do your homework and do levels, which I would suggest you do. My rule of thumb is use something like a daily 240 and 60, or a daily 60 and 15. But multiple size tick charts, same thing. Same thing. You can do huge tick charts, like some ridiculous number like 10,000, and then get down to a smaller tick chart. They're going to give you the same stuff, the same areas. Why?
So do you want to establish levels at weekly, daily, hourly?
Well, you want the ones that cross over. Those are your strong levels. So if you have the same level from a daily, hourly, or weekly, a daily, and a 240, if you have the same level, that's a strong level. The ones that
You said daily at a 240 tick?
I'd say daily 240 and 60. Yeah, something like
Okay.
that. And then that way, we oh shoot, I should have added a long back there. Dang it.
Yeah, I'm still in my one. I wish I'd got another one when it got lower.
Well, I'm looking at this on the ES. I got this one on the ES. I was trying to. I did say set up, and it did set up with a W here. I should have added one more because I could have been taking a target right there. But
Yeah, I'm not
I just
YM long. NQ. Yeah, I am in NQ long, Bo. I don't know about YM. I'm not looking at that.
I got the YM over here somewhere. Yeah, there was a setup earlier. I don't think it's there now. No, so it's just it's like it really doesn't matter the time frame. To be honest with you, just use different time frames that aren't long YM. Oh, he took the long YM, I guess. Then
Yeah, I'm not looking at the YM. I don't even have a YM chart up, but yeah, NQ's long, so.
yeah, I guess YM would have room to run. Nice. All right, good job. Good job, Bo.
Looking for a possible breakout here on gold MGC.
I keep forgetting. Remind me to look at the orb on that.
Yeah, it's right at the pivot and right at the VWAP. So if we get a break above that, I like it.
So it's from eight what to where?
820, 820, 850.
Huh. Okay.
We're literally right at the top right now. There we go. If we get a close here,
Ooh,
I'm going to go
I said
long.
I'm not that comfortable with that trade.
Okay.
I'd have to practice that for a little while. I have to look at that one a little while before I start taking that.
We'll
I
see
mean, if
what
it
happens.
didn't have any other candles above it, I might look at it. But there's
You got that right there. Could stop it, but that's still a
yeah,
decent
where
trade too
it came
there.
from at 820.
Yeah.
I don't know. That's just one I'm not comfortable with. All right.
You waiting for an appointment?
I couldn't get another one on. Um, we should have definitely put another one on there. Like I said, it's either $100, close it out of $100, or shoot, it's gonna hit that pretty quick, isn't it? One micro, big wiggin with one micro. That's what I'm doing. That's what Paul's doing. We are looking like champs with this one micro. About to get a target
Longs
off.
are working.
Target off. About to get a target off. Got a target off on the M&Q. So this is what we talked through all morning long. I mean, did not hide this from anybody. I was going one micro, adding. The only thing I didn't do is add lower, but I had my add spots already picked out, right? I had my add spots picked out. It just didn't happen where I wanted it to happen, so that's fine. And I'll get a target off here in a second. Definitely on this one that I had two up here. I should have added down there. I've been just about average fill price where I'm at now. And could have taken one off now and been net two. I'm considering doing that anyway, staying net two, but we'll see. Like, I should probably just take this off now. And then I can add one a little bit later.
Pulls back. I'll drop in another one. Pulls back to around that 89 or something.
Winning trades. Oh. I'll tell you what, when this back thing's over, I'm going to be the happiest person alive.
I don't imagine. But you're feeling better, right? A little bit better? Or is it just
I
masked
mean,
by the drugs?
it's one of those things where I'm not really sure. I should have taken profit up here and started over on that one MNQ one. There's definitely something wrong. Like I have some tissue damage, and I still have a nerve that's pinched. So like, I still get the shooting pain, but I think the other stuff is subsiding some. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Like I don't have the pain all the time, but when I have the pain, it's painful. And I got another appointment tomorrow to try to go see if they can get it in place tomorrow. If they can do it, if they can get it in place tomorrow, I'll be a happy dude. Do we add one here on this M&Q?
Yes. I think we have to.
Seems like a smart thing to do, doesn't it? We got some room to get up here.
I think we got to push up to at least around 800.
We had that level
We'll see.
established down here. Yeah, you know what?
I'm already in, so I'm in, so we'll see.
And then put a little sell limit in to catch some of that juice. How about that? Put a limit order
Go on,
in.
baby. Go on.
Add one.
Do you
I
think?
added one. Pull me at my average price up some. Put a sell limit in up here so that when it pops up, I can catch some of the juice. And don't even be that greedy with it. And just go to the air with it. You know, just make sure you've locked in some profit. like I've done on these other two. Well, I'm trying to up here. Or it comes back down on the ES. I'll add a contract on this one. As a matter of fact, I would probably, there we go, target off.
There you
Boom.
go.
That's the way
Money,
you
money.
play that game. That is how you play that game.
Up 150, just playing around on micros.
Just schlubbing around on the streets here. Schlubbing around on the streets with micros.
And of course, I can't trade.
Oh,
Well, at least you can listen. I mean, so, what I would say is go try to find some levels. Just keep it simple. Don't, and this is what I tell everybody. Everybody gets too worked up over their levels being perfect. There is no such thing. Now, again, my levels are perfect, but that took me 14 years to do. But when it comes to levels, your levels are going to be good. So you got to trust your levels. Over time, your levels will get better. I mean, let's look at Paul. Paul's been around me for four years, I guess. 4
or
years,
5, yeah,
4
something like
5
that.
years. He just now started getting really good at his levels. Like in the
Yeah.
past year, just
Yeah.
started getting really good at his levels.
Yeah.
I mean, like to the quality of where my levels are, and so like it's an overtime thing. It takes a while. It's not.
It's just practice.
Yeah.
Screen time.
It's it's screen. It's seeing it work too. Like that's a big thing with levels. It's seeing it work. Does that make sense? Like you'll trust levels more and do levels more the more you see your levels work for you. There you go. There you go, Tom. That's your thing. So
Yeah.
trade your levels, Tom, not mine, early on, unless they correspond with each other. Now, if your levels correspond with mine, then obviously trade those. But you're going to have a higher probability picking levels. Like, I'm tempted to just take profits up here, Paul. That's why I'm.
Or you think it's going to come back down?
Maybe we can do the thing. We can do it.
I mean, worst case scenario, we can just get back
yeah,
in.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep one core long then. But your probability is gonna go up on having a successful trade, even if you don't have perfect levels, because you're going to still be able to see the levels. I mean, like again, we can pull up a chart like this. Like let's look at this. So there's a level in here. There's a level there, right here. There's a level. Okay, is it the level that I'm looking for? It's not the stronger level. Like obviously, when price came down this morning, I looked for it to come around down in 720 area. This is a strong level, but there's still a level here. You can see where price stops, reverses, stops at this level, full reversal at this level, another full reversal at the level, and then price holding here. So I mean, that's a level. Is it the strongest level to me? No. Will it work for you, Tom? Yes. There you go. Mike, a drop. Then we should have quacked that. Does that work?
It'll still catch it.
And send it out to social media?
Yeah.
That didn't make me feel really confident. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Confidence inspiring.
I don't have the social media portion automation going yet, but yeah, it will do that.
When it's going.
Yes, when it's going.
Cool. All right, Paul, let's talk trading here. Oh, man. Prepped for war. This is so silly to me. I mean, like, come on. Both warn with talks in limbo, we're prepped for war. I thought that's what you were doing. That's so silly to me. Like, what? I mean, what are all these, war things that Trump was talking about? He blew up. Like, I thought they were supposed to be decimated. They find some old, like, ironclad wooden cannonball ships to shoot some cannonballs at us or something. They bought them from England at an estate sale. I mean, I don't. I'm being silly, but I mean, what are they gonna do? I'm gonna point her finger sternly at you. I'm gonna shake my
I'll
finger
try
sternly
a
at
short
you.
here on MGC.
Okay, let's look at that.
See if we can come back to the midpoint of that range at around 95.8.
That is a short.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna give it a shot. See
Yeah,
what
that
happens.
is a short. Nah.
Come on.
Why am I not pulling the trigger on this? I don't have the right account. I don't think I have it on the right account.
All right.
Give me a
There we
second.
go.
It's not going to give me a second.
Target off on that. Now it's a free trade.
I should just press a button with you.
I was on what, MCL?
MCL, yeah. MGC, excuse me.
MGC.
Oh, yeah, I'm not playing in that area.
How do we get another long in here? I'm gonna pull my crappy.
Gotta get a pullback.
Long. Put my other long up here. What kind of pullback? So we could do this game. Here, look right here. I'll add one right here. This is a good spot. From where we came from this morning, that's a level. That's a good level right there.
Was that MNQ?
Yeah, that where we came
Yeah,
from.
I got a target at 40. Where's your target at?
No, I'm putting a buy limit in so I can get 2 if it comes back down here.
Oh, yeah. No, I would buy back in at 10. So, yeah, you got 4. I got one at 10.
8-10?
Yep, if it pulls back to there, I'm going to jump in right there because if you look left,
all right.
What are you on? You're on the 610.
I'm good with that. Yeah, I'm good with that.
Okay. And that's right there at VWAP too. So
long,
yes. That's a long. Yes, that's a long. I'm going in with 1, Tom. I'm adding.
Well, you're already 1 in, so I'm considering adding 1 on the ES just here because if it breaks out,
we may not get it, guys.
That's what I'm saying.
I think this is gonna go.
I'm just gonna put.
Hey, there we go. Look at this.
Put a buy stop
target
above that structure.
Target. I'm gonna move my target on this gold, buddy.
Good job.
There's my
I wish I'd gotten in that with you. That's silly on my part.
It's $100 freaking gold trade. Telling you, man, there's something to this range.
I got you. I should have done that.
I really need you to look at it and put your spin on it.
I'm telling you, as soon as I can stay in this chair for more than a couple hours, I'm doing it. All right, I got two on now again on the ES. I'll take a target just up here.
This thing's gone.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a target up here. Back. What was that? I mean.
Yeah, it's not making it back down to 810.
No, you can cancel that. It's not coming back there.
Put a target there.
But don't chase it, Tom.
Nope.
He's driving.
Nope. No, when I say I'm on the road, I'm actually, like right now the van's getting washed and then I got to literally be on the road to go to Washington Park, Illinois.
Oh, geez. Okay.
How long of a drive is that?
About 30 minutes from here, so about an hour from my house.
Oh, I thought you meant like crossing. Like you're
Yeah, that sounds far, doesn't it?
It sounded like you're gonna be on the road for like 3 hours.
No, it's just over East St. Louis.
All right, so then we look for another good ad spot up here. So that 833 from Globex stuff. or here on the ES, maybe
831.25 would be another entry spot here for me.
Somewhere around there.
Or even 830, 827. 827 is a level I have pretty good. So, I mean, literally right here, to be honest with you.
All right, I'll do that. Nah, I'm gonna hold back here a little bit. I'll get in. I like this 810. I'm gonna do the
All right, I'll put it
810.
back on 810 again. See if it comes
If it
down
doesn't,
there.
I'll just press the buy market if it turns around.
I'm gonna try. I'm gonna go ahead and try one at 827, and then I'll put another one on at 810 if it comes
Okay.
down there. I'm gonna do
It's just
that.
heavier. But I'm in like 4 different accounts long, so I just don't want to get too heavy on the. There's your long signal right there.
There we go. Profits off on that. That was quick.
I was looking. Let me look at the ES. See where I want to get in here. Yeah, another ad area is right here around 65. Let's see. At my fill price. I'm gonna stick with it the way it is for now. Whoa, I have my chart trader.
Order filled.
Whoa. What are you doing, Tom?
That was the 827.
Where's my? Oh, well, that was weird. All right, well.
3 at the 827, and then 2 at 2 micros at 810.
So you're gonna get up to 5 micros?
Yeah, on the way back for the playback up.
So I think that's a little heavy for scaling. I don't know if you and Paul talked about that.
We haven't talked about scaling. No, I just set them up on a regular ATM. What I would consider the big ATM.
Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Then you should.
Usually when we scale, we do one at a time.
You should be looking at this as a traditional setup and getting two off at what? Say like 37. 837. Try to get 2 off, 10 points, maybe 840.
And of course, my ATM didn't set, so I got to do this manually.
Hey, that's good practice. This is a long setup.
Around now.
Okay, cool. Let me get out of this trade here in a second, and I'll be ready to go.
Ready?
Appreciate you.
Of course.
This is a.
You're gonna be okay.
possible
This is
long
gonna go.
setup. I was about to say like.
Yeah, 827 will be fine. I got in at 827 too, Tom. So I got targets off and on 2 contracts and one now. See if it'll run.
Yeah, I should have put that one. I should have done that with you. That's dumb on my
Yeah,
part.
that's why I said it, because that's a pretty good level there. And I figured, well, okay,
Yeah.
810, I agree, but I didn't know if we get to
One of
810.
the golden ratio levels too, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. And we've had this 827 right now is pretty strong. So, Fed, the Fed.
Order filled.
So I got 2 off. I got one runner
Move your
now.
one target into a no lose situation and then just see if it goes.
And then put your stop
don't-
at.
If this can't break up here above 52 or 3, you might want to tighten up and take some profit, Tom. Or especially if you're about to drive off. There's no sense.
Put your stop.
Maybe lock in.
At 35.
35. Yeah, 35.
Put your stop at 35.
I'd put it below. You could even, honestly, you could go below the Asian high there, which is the Asian session. And what is that there? That's what time is it? 10 o'clock? Oh, that's the orb. Oh, that's
Yeah.
80, 37-ish, 36, 37.
Well, I was going to say that, but I was giving it a couple extra points.
Yeah. Well, let him lock in some points because I know he's about to drive off. So
You realize we just had a Crable?
that's what I just said.
We
I
didn't
just
we didn't
realized. I
do the
just realized
Crable?
we had a Crable break. I didn't even. I wasn't even looking at it.
All right, I got to step away for just a minute.
Commissioner, who's speaking? Fed chair. That could move the market. We gotta be careful. He says something.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, guys. Sure. Appreciate you. No problem at all.
37. Tom, move your stop up to 41. Ooh,
Stop.
buddy.
I don't even know why that went off.
You lose you're out of the trade?
No, I'm still in the trade. I'm trying to figure out. No, I'm not out of the trade. I'm still in. I'm still green,
All right.
but
It's a winner chicken dinner here.
I got a tight stop. So at
The
54.
the Fed chair is speaking right now, right? That's what I let me look at the news. Must be
That's why I
saying
have,
something. And he said,
that's why I have
yeah,
a
Federal
tight
Reserve
stop.
Chair
So
nominee Kevin Walsh testifies to the Senate. Yeah. We gotta be careful because he could say something to totally tweak this. Tighten up your stop. I'd bring your stop to
Yeah, I'm putting stops
uh
in on everything.
53.50. Tom,
I've got it at 54 right now.
that's fine. It doesn't matter. That's
Yeah.
not going to make. I mean, for that matter, you might as well go ahead and go up underneath 57 at this point. I mean, if it comes back to 57, it's going to come back to.
Yeah, I'm putting stops in on everything.
Yeah, me too. Because I don't need him to say something and this thing do something stupid.
All right, I'll step away for just a few minutes. I'll be right back, or I'll be back in a little bit.
About to go flat. There we go. There we go.
I'm still.
Oh, you should be out
Still
of this,
in.
Tom. You'd
Yeah,
be out of
I'm
this.
out.
Yeah, you should have got out of that. You should have your stop up at 57. Don't need to give that much back.
I gotta do this again, but I gotta step away for a
Yeah, I was
second.
praying. I either need to get back on Ninja or back on Trading View.
You can. I think you can set up Trading View through Tradeovate. Through. What do you have? Not sure. Oof, it's gonna go again, isn't it?
Yep. Yeah. Yeah.
All right, guys, I'm gonna bail.
All
All
right,
right,
man.
Tom. Have
See
a
you
good
later.
day.
East St. Louis, I go.
Have a good one, bro.
All right, see you.
Break this R1 should go here. Step away for a second. Be right back.
All right, I'm just squeezing my stops up to get out of this for right now. Do you hear me? Well, I thought I was going to put a stop in here and leave where it's at. Um, thought I was going to step away for a second. Yeah. All right. Well, I'm going to step away for a second then. Paul left. Talking on mute there, bro?
No, I stepped away for a second.
Yeah. I am going to step away for a second. I'll be right back.
Pullback going on here. I think come back down to the top of that opening range around 38 on NQ. All right, see what happens here. All right, this is an area here. Let's see if it holds. Nope. Here's your bounce. Right off that freaking 89 and 26, the prior day high opening range. There's your bounce on NQ. There you go. Come on, push up. Push up. ES going lower. Okay. Uh, okay. I'm long NQ off 26. Hoping to break of this opening range and hold here. But if it doesn't, then I might get on your bandwagon with the shorts. I think ES holding. Where do you see it going, Stretch? 57-ish area. 53, 57, 53. Okay. If we can get, if it can hold below VWAP, I think we're good. I think you're good. Like I said, I'll get out of this trade. Yeah, it's going down. Got another one here.
All right. Glad I unwound those trades and profit. Let's see.
I don't know, Stretch. It's holding this VWAP. I don't.
Let's see.
Missed it. Missed what? From where? Do you see a short on the S, Brian?
I mean, if you caught it from up here at the top, yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Oh, breakout. Okay. It was a breakout trade.
Yeah, that would have worked. Short at 64.
I mean, it's what we always say. If the long doesn't come out of it, you take the short. And it was a nice little structure.
Yeah, I mean, it got down to. I gave you a few points. Yeah. I just. Again, like I said earlier, if it holds this VWAP and opening range right here, I think you gotta think it's going to go back up.
I think I'm gonna sit on my hands for a little bit here and try to figure this out. I've done pretty good this
I'm
morning.
one long on NQ off 27, which was that 89 on the smaller tick chart. I've been long for a little bit, so. But I'm not jumping anywhere else. I'm not even adding in, to be honest with you.
Yeah. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna. Yeah, I'm gonna wait just a little bit to figure out where I want to start doing this again at. If let's see, let's think through this. If it can't make a new high after this, then I'll start thinking maybe shorts, both on the ES and NQ. Not quite on the short bandwagon yet. What do you think? We just need to
I could get.
see it fail. If it fails here and turns around and goes down, then I'm gonna start selling it. But if not, I'm gonna get back on the.
If it breaks above that, though, you got to think long.
Start thinking, get back in scaling in the long side of things. I mean, I like the prices I had earlier, but I mean, I only had $220 on one, 110 on another, and 90 something on another so far. So, I mean, that's not horrible for an hour of work.
Does not suck.
$400 an hour. $5 minute suck short. sort two on ES. Lower lows, lower highs. Yeah, that's a. I I'm looking at the bigger swing. I see what you're saying, Stretch. I can't with. This is just what I'm looking at here. We're literally at like the point of control for the day. Um, we're on VWAP. We're on the 89, and the bigger swings back here tell me we're kind of in a range, really. Even though some of the higher time frames say that we're seeing lower lows or high. Yeah, again, and with that being said, I guess the answer would be either bias is fine right now, long or short. Now that you think about it this way, but I mean, in our rule set, as long as we stay above the VWAP and 89, we're probably looking at the longs, right, Paul?
Yeah, 100%. They are flat though. Keep that in
They're
mind.
flat. Yeah, I mean, this is
Neutral territory.
The Globex high and the swing low from the open. As long as we stay between those two, it's coin flip, baby. Yeah, equal opportunity at shorts and equal opportunity at longs, and equal opportunity to offend people. I am an
Always.
equal opportunity offender.
Always equal opportunity offender. Oh, I'm getting hungry. A little early to be hungry.
I will tell you, it is kind of hard to eat on those things, though.
Does it take your appetite away?
Yeah. All I want to do is take naps and drink water. I mean, it really is it. That is really all I want to do. I need to change I need to like figure out how to fix this chair so it can be somewhat. Um. Yeah, I can't. I want to establish. I mean, and so we're kind of at a point where I'd like to establish another position, but I don't really have a. I don't have a bias right now. Like I just
I'm
said.
just holding that 27 long and just.
I'm just gonna wait for it to move
That's
one way
it.
or the other, and then start. Then think of it. Yeah, I mean, you get the same thing here on the NQ. It's hanging out a little bit higher than the ES though, but again, I don't really have a huge bias here. The only thing I can say is that one thing we can look at here is that the last swing push up for all-time highs here for the NQ and ES did not make it. So that could be something that would say, okay, maybe we look for shorts there, but it's about the only inclination you have of giving you a bias for shorts and longs. But I'm gonna wait. I think we can just wait. Again, I've done pretty good this morning, so I'm just gonna sit here and wait until I get a tip. Until they tip their, until they show me what they're playing. But as soon as I figure it out, I'm gonna start layering back in. I'm telling you, Paul, this ES layering is like easy. Obviously, you get a lot more juice on the NQ,
On the
DCA,
NQ, yeah.
or the MNQ, but man, it's so safe to do it on the ES. So I mean, you get a lot more room to let it go against you on the ES than you do the MES versus the MNQ.
I think I'm just going to get out of this and take my profit and just wait. When it pops back up here again. 38, 39, there's 10 points. I'm out. I'm out. I'll just wait till either this guy stops talking
Yep. And you could probably possibly make a case for.
I can make a case for sitting on my hands right now.
Yep, that's exactly what I was gonna say. Make a case for sitting on your hands.
That's the case I had. Look at that freaking gold trade workout.
Yeah, no, that's a
Woo!
fantastic one. You still in it?
No, I got out. I got out at midpoint. I mean, still it was $100 trade. One contract.
Let me step away for just a minute. I'll be right back. I gotta take care of something since we're gonna
Go
sit on
for
our
it.
hands.
What time is it? 10:35. Should we take a little break? So this guy's not done talking, or
You want to do that?
we could. It's chopping right now. Come back at 11.
Yeah, that's fine with me.
All right, take a 25-minute break. Be back at 11, everybody.
Cool. I can ice my back.
There you go. All right. Sucker dumped. Where'd you get in at, Stretch? Did you catch all of this? All I could do was just push the sell button when it broke the pivot. Still a decent trade. Yeah, 7 trades on the way. 7 trades on the way down. Okay, wow. All right. So you're done for the day then. Good job. $780. You got to push up to 780 on the NQ. 777, 780. Well, 10 or 15 point push up. $783.25 would be a push back up if you want to scalp the NQ. It's more than a scalp. 20 point move. Take that.
Oh, I forgot my coffee. All right.
You get any of this move down, or are you icing your back?
I was icing my back. All right. Are we?
I did.
This looks like a cell signal coming up here, doesn't it? But retrace the whole ES drop. Yeah.
They usually do, Stretch. They usually do.
It's happened a lot lately.
Yeah, you guys need to be getting in there if you're not.
All right. So are we shorting this? Are we trying to see if it's going to break back up to the
I was saying I like it up around 83, 84. I think we'll get a pop up to there, but you could short one here and then add another one there. That would be an idea. Are we talking ES or NQ? Oh, you're on the ES. I wasn't even looking at your chart. Never mind.
All right. See you later, Stretch. Have a good day.
See you, Stretch. Here we go.
All right, let me think about this. Sorry.
All right, here it comes.
Yeah. Maybe we do get back on the long side of things. Although this looks like a pretty good setup happening for a short.
Yeah, I am holding the long.
Yeah, this I'm glad I stepped away, to be honest with you, probably because then I would have gotten sold on taking the shorts here, and I'm not sure I'm sold on taking shorts.
Like I said, I'd be more comfortable a little higher up.
We came right down to that from yesterday.
Maybe it comes back down. We'll
Well,
see.
but hold on a second. I mean, if it look at what happened yesterday. If it bounced off this level I had yesterday, we can still start thinking longs. But I mean, our rules say short this market. Our rules say we should have taken that short right there. Totally should have taken that short. Dang.
Yeah.
What'd you do? See the double bottom and take the long?
I did. Above the pivot. And not on the bigger chart. That breaking a hold above the pivot. I went in. I'm probably going to get out of it because it's looking like a short now anyways.
Yeah, I think I'd be flat right now.
Yeah, well, I'm holding. I mean, I'm okay. I'm
Got
in
strong
profit. I
bias to
can't.
the upside. You could add here to the long.
I can't. I don't know. I thought about that too, but I'm a little scared to do that. I'm just going to hold it. See what happens.
Hmm.
There he goes. Come on, push. Ah.
Yeah, a little bump and then
Here it comes. My target. 83 is my target. Come on, get up there. There it is. Boom. Target filled. This is an area where you might consider if it sets up for a short on the NQ. If not, if it doesn't hold here, then you got a pretty good chance of retracing all this.
Well, I guess they are gonna take it all the way back up. Man, I got up and forgot my coffee again. What a dummy. Alright. Let's see here. I mean, it's hard not to say to short this, you know?
That's what I don't know if you heard what I said. This is the area where if it sets up, which it's doing now, you could short. If it breaks this, then we're going back up. At least the VWAP or above. So
Yeah, I mean, this is that level that I had, so let's see. I want to start scaling into the longs, but I think I need to wait just a little bit longer to do that. Just a little bit longer. Just a little bit. A little bit longer.
here's your cell right here.
What's happening? On the MNQ
Um,
it did, yeah.
Yeah,
Nice.
on the MNQ. There it is. Boom. Target. Come on. Nice. Easy money. That was a good setup on the big tick chart.
That was a good setup on the big tick chart.
I like those 3 bars with the wicks. That's perfect. I took that with my 6 contract ATM.
Nice. I did not take it, obviously. I should have. I was looking at whether I should get in the ES or not. I was debating on whether I want to do it with 2 minis, to be honest with you, in the ES as well as debating on. But I shall sit.
Yeah. Or at least 6 or 8 micros. 10 micros.
Yeah, I mean,
That's not
I
a
pretty
big
much
risk.
made
10 micros is like a
decisions.
$150 risk.
If I'm, see, for
Isn't
me,
it?
it's like 6
Yeah.
micros is. If I'm gonna do six, if I'm gonna do more than 6 micros, then it should be a good
You
enough
just
setup.
might as well go to the minis.
Should be a good enough setup for a mini. That's the way I feel about it.
That's how I stay with the NQ. Like 6 micros is my ATM. Anything more than that, I'll just put a mini on.
Yeah. And 6 micros is like my comfort. Like I feel comfortable with it, not being too heavy, leverage wise.
Come on, baby, keep going.
MCL is going up.
Go down.
CL's up. Might as well. Guess we start selling
Yep.
the. Guess they're bombing again, huh?
Yeah, I like that.
I'm gonna try to get one. I'm gonna do one. Let's see. We're below my level, so I think we can try to do one short here. I'm gonna use. I still want to get a trade in this. I just gotta switch my accounts over. All right, let me put this one on this account. Try to get and change this one to that account. No, to that account. Then try to get one short, I guess, huh? Start grinding away back at these shorts. Yeah, I mean, if this stays down here, gotta have that short bias, huh? Let me run and grab my coffee real quick. I'll be right back.
Boom.
So I'm just gonna get short. I mean,
It's
that's
a
a great trade
huge
for you.
trade.
Wish I'd take
That's
that
a
trade with
huge
you, bro.
trade. All the way up and all the way down. Holy
That's a
cow.
great trade. Great job. Dang.
I don't know about it right here at this pivot, but we'll see.
Well, it blew through the ES's pivot like it had nobody's business. I should have shorted it below the pivot on the ES now that I'm looking at it. Yep. Oh well. Let me grab my coffee.
I don't know about this pivot here. This could bounce. Anybody short? Is anybody short on the NQ with me, or am I in this by myself? Pretty clean setup. Yeah, I'm gonna get out.
Never mind. I never pressed the start button on it.
On the coffee?
Yeah. I got sidetracked. I was excited about icing my back. It's like one of the things that takes away the pain.
Yeah. Why don't you get one of those wraps that you can put around your waist that with the ice packs? So when you're sitting, you can be icing.
Can't do it. It's between my shoulder blades. There's nothing that fits it right.
Can't,
I literally
can't.
have to.
Don't they have like a shoulder? Don't they have like a mid back one that wraps around like diagonally? I thought they did. I remember.
Maybe. I don't know. I prefer laying
I remember
down.
the old shoulder wraps and when we played.
Yeah. I prefer. Well, that doesn't fit the spot either. Like it's got to be.
No.
Yeah, and then the other thing too is the pressure of the ice next to the vertebrae helps a little bit too when I'm laying on.
Gotcha. Yeah, you definitely did some real damage.
Yeah, no, I know I did.
I guarantee you was. I guarantee it was. It wasn't. I guess it was. It was the after the fact. It was the continuing when you got hurt.
Duh.
That was the icing on the cake.
Duh.
Yeah. What sports has you done? You think you would know when you got hurt? Back down.
Nobody said I was that bright. Nobody ever said I was that bright. I'm smart when it comes to a lot of things. That is not one thing I'm smart about. I tend to push the limits too much.
I mean, that's pushing the limits. What I've always done. But when I got hurt, every time I get hurt, I would dial it down,
Yeah.
just for recovery purposes.
Well, I mean, in my defense, I thought it was just a vertebrae out of place. I didn't think it was that bad.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess when you're at the point where you're losing sleep over it, you should probably dial it back.
Yeah. Had a long setup here.
Yeah.
Looks better on the ES, but you got a long setup. But you're going in the pivot.
I think I'm committed to the shorts a little bit more right now, but I mean, not hugely committed. I guess either direction's fine, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is a triple bottom now for the ES. See where it goes from here. If it doesn't go any higher, then I'm going to add to the short. Hello, pivot, my old friend.
Like two-way going on here, right?
Yeah. That's what I thought earlier. Somebody came out and said they were going to start bombing again, I guess, or something. Then you had
Look at that long working out.
yeah.
Oh, I didn't take it. I should have, but I didn't.
Yeah.
But this is an area here where I would be interested in. Are you in NQ now? Short?
Mm-hmm. No, ES.
Okay.
MES.
I think I'm going to jump in here.
Was it M and Q?
Yeah. And then if it breaks up to, around that 80, 70, 80 area, I'll just add another one.
Okay.
Come on. Oh, one tick, my first target. There it goes. Boom. All right, that target's off now. Let's see if it goes. Doesn't look like it's gonna go. Nope.
It's fine.
I may move my stop out of the way though. It's only one contract. There it goes. Come on. Come on. Blush it. There you go. I like when it listens. If you took it, you got at least your target off, so you should be free and clear. Boom.
There it is. Target off. I got in finally. On that little push back up, gave me a chance to get back in. Give me a chance to get into it.
Boom.
And I was going to add.
Dude, I am killing this afternoon.
It's not even afternoon yet, bro.
It's not. Oh, yeah, it's not even noon yet. Holy cow. Oh.
Just racking up the winning trades here.
You know, it's there's sometimes I think, should we be trading minis and really racking it up? But then I think it's a risk thing, right?
Yeah.
Like I don't.
I mean, all right. So a clean setup. Again, I keep saying this. I mean, we just gotta be available and ready when the clean setup happens. And a clean setup happens, take the minis. That's why I was debating on doing that short in minis. That'd been like great, day done minis.
Yeah, another $120 there. I mean, it's killing this thing in micros though.
Yeah, I know. Macros does it without the worry factor too.
Yeah, I pretty much now just trade two. Like I'll get in initial two and then add one, and then if I think it's a good setup, I do the 6. Like this one's gone.
This is gone, bro.
Go.
I wanted to get one more in on the ES here.
Oh, this could be an area here. Pivot bounce.
Flat. All right. Now we got lower lows and lower highs on the ES, big tick chart. So I'm gonna feel a little bit more comfortable now pushing. Let's see, I'm gonna try to add one, and then I can target down here on the ES again. So I want to leave this chart open for taking that MES or mini trade, 6 contract. I think we're gonna get a swing at some point here in the next hour or so that I can trade that on with the mini, maybe. Like, I'm gonna get one chart ready for the mini at least. Let's do this. I'm gonna put one of these on the mini. Put that on the ES. And make sure that's on the ES. Thingy-majangy. Okay. So I got one ready for the mini, one ready for the micros, and one that I'm gonna scale into. How about that? That's a decent plan, right?
That works.
So I'm working the scale in with this one. I'm gonna work the mini with this. If I get a decent swing like this, even this I'd probably take with the mini this time around. Decent little swing, and then I got one account ready for the 6 micro trade. So feel like that's a decent plan, don't you?
Decent plan.
This is I could take this all the way up to here too. This is really not a bad. And I've already taken contracts on it. I need to put a target down here somewhere. That's what I was looking for. Let's put a target. Well, we already broke that level. Oh, look at this. Then I guess the next target's really got to be down here at around 17. Now that I'm looking back at this is actually, as long as it stays below this level I talked about earlier, I feel really comfortable scaling
With
in
the shorts.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, right around 17. Make it a little bit easier here. We'll make it like a 18 target, 17, 18 target. So let's do yeah, let's just put a target in there. Little buy limit there. Alright, there you go. That's my setup. I'm ready for the ES swing too. So let me get that one over here so I'm ready to trade it. And then or the MES, whichever one sets up right.
See what happens. Be right back. Use the restroom.
Okay, dokie. just haven't gotten a good swing to trade 6E lately. It's been kind of chopping up and down. Not going to take a long in this environment on 6E though. It's a level I had before on CL as well, so MCL might be setting up for a short. But again, I don't think I can do it when the market's going down like this. I can't short CL since it's obviously inversely correlated these days. I mean, could we just make a bot and have it go into other discords and do what they do and advertise in other discords for us? Just the way they do this one? Couldn't we? Oh, he stepped away.
All right, I'm back.
Did you hear what I said?
I just literally put my headphones on.
Why don't we just create a bot that does what people do to our Discord? Goes out and automatically puts messages in other Discords.
You could do that.
Advertise.
Where's Tom?
That's great. That seems like it'd be great advertisement, right?
Just spam some other Discords.
Yeah, why not? I mean, that seems to be the thing to do, right?
Well, I see it happen all the time.
Huh? You see it.
I see that happening all the time.
Yeah, every Discord you're in, you see it. Why not? Why don't we do it? Can't beat them, join them.
That's right. I'm for it. When in Rome.
Let's just do it. Yeah. Here. Let's. Just go out and find a bunch of Discords.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's what we do.
Then you have to have a bunch of Discord accounts because I'm assuming they get blocked.
I guess should we block these people then?
Oh yeah, for sure. Anybody does that, just block them.
All right. I mean, we get like one round through all a bunch of. I mean, there's got to be thousands of Discords. Just go through all.
Oh, there's a ton of them.
Yeah, they're not gonna block you on all of them right away. Go through all those things. I think that's a legitimate way to advertise, my friend.
Legitimate way to get in trouble.
By who?
I mean, not in trouble, just banned.
Oh God. Okay, I really care about that. Okay, ban me from your Discord that I don't want to belong to anyway. I'm only in here trying to get new customers. I don't know. Do I short this?
On
I'm
the
not gonna go to
ES or
6
NQ?
contracts. Anyone, pick one. Too late.
I'll do the NQ with you. I'll do the ES with you.
I'm gonna wait. Now, if anything, you might want to put one on. Okay, maybe I could do like 2 contract. How about that? Maybe. No. Let me just wait for a second longer. You might be trying to raise this thing all the way back up. Like I said earlier, we're at a level on CL, but I don't know if I can short it with it blazing up like that.
A hard short on CL.
I know.
It'd be right now though.
It's not gonna do it.
This is that. This is that area where it's reversed a couple times. So on the NQ. Does it break through or do we go back down?
So she's got enough steam.
If I get a short setup on the NQ, I think I'll probably take it. But it's got to be on the bigger chart.
Yes. Well, looks like it went.
Oh yeah,
without
I'm
you.
short.
Huh?
I'm short. I pushed the short button. As soon as I see it saw break back down that,
Oh shit.
I'll short it
I'm just gonna miss
41,
everything, huh?
741. 741. Yeah, I mean, I said it, right? This was that area before. So if it didn't bust through there, I had to go short. It wasn't a clean setup, though.
That's a good play, though.
I took it on the break of that bigger candle at 741. Oh.
Definitely a good play.
Oh, run down to the bottom now. Do it one more time, please.
Do it again. Yeah, I'd be okay with that. All right, target off. I did the ES, 2 contracts. I didn't do.
Oh shoot, I didn't even
2
look up. I
micros.
should have got that.
Or just chopping this range for the rest of the
looked like.
day, and I'll trade it. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Keep going down. Keep on going down.
Back down to the pivot one more time, please.
I mean, that actually wasn't a bad setup on small tick chart. The smaller tick chart.
Yeah, well, I didn't trust the small tick chart because it could have broke up, right? That's why I wanted to see a cleaner setup on the big chart, which we didn't really get.
Once it wicked up here and then consolidated again here, you get that head and shoulders pattern. That's a good setup in my world. It's a good setup in my world. There we go. Keep on pushing, baby. Keep on pushing. Oh, crap. Oh, crap.
Wow. You gonna trade?
Oh, it worked out really well there.
You traded a mini instead of a micro.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Done it. I blew a PA like that. Took a 10 minis, or I don't remember however many minis it was. A lot. Should have been micros.
Hey. Well, it worked out. It worked out.
I mean, we haven't taken any losing trades, so you shouldn't have lost anything.
No. I was layering in, and I was like, "Oh crap! I did this on the wrong chart." So I went in with two minis, and then I added one on that little push.
So you were 3 deep.
Yeah. I'm sitting here like, this is pretty good.
That shoots the other way, and it blows an account.
I know.
That's what it did to me.
I looked at it. I was like, "How the hell am I up $500 on this one trade?" I was like, "Oh crap!"
It is nice though when it works in your favor.
I mean, at least most of the time I have a good premise. Most of the time I'm going to be in the right direction.
I did that last night with Tom. We were talking, and
I mean, it's not bad. I mean, this is good. Go ahead. Sorry.
No, that's fine. I did that last night. I jumped in a trade, and I didn't have an ATM set, and I just hit a short, and I said, "Oh, let me go put a stop on," and then I got distracted, and we started talking about something else, and all of a sudden, I don't know if Trump said something or something, but it shot up like 100 points in a second.
Oh wow!
Against me. I was like, "Oh no!" Always trade with stops.
Yeah, we don't need no stops. Don't need no stinking stops. I'll pull this down a couple ticks on the stop. Speaking of, Speaking of stops, there we go. I'm done with that account for the day. What do you think?
Yeah.
All right.
We try it again, or is it too many times as well?
I'm just thinking about this. Like, again, as long as we stay in this little rangy area. As you know, I'm layering into a short on another account, so I'm kind of committed to the shorts. But and here's the other way I look at it too. We've had a few days here where this thing's attempted highs, and it is making highs, but not in a very
Oh, it's made all-time highs. So.
but just not in a linear fashion. It keeps falling away from there every time.
Right.
It's chopping. So I mean, like you could still. I mean, I think you could still be committed to the shorts with big, wide, wide entries, separate entries further apart, because it tells us that every time it peaks up there, it falls back down. So, and we're right in the middle. Of
1, 2, 3, 4.
Right in the middle of a 3-day range.
50.
I'm just trying to
2 weeks. We didn't have a down. We have not had a down candle in 2 weeks on the daily.
Okay, there's another
Today
reason.
Yeah. Today looks like we might get it.
I'm just yeah. Well, I'm trying to build a case for what I want to do here, but I think I put it at. I think we can layer in the shorts, man. I mean, I'm doing it on one account already, but I think you could really go after this some now. I'm gonna use a different account over here on the MNQ. I'm gonna start trying to do that here on the MNQ next rally. Go in with 2 micros, get a target off, pull my stop way back, and then add another micro. Same thing I just did on the ES, but I'm gonna do it on the MNQ. Actually, the MNQ this
higher
time.
time frames are short for sure. I like the idea of the shorts.
Yeah, next rally, I'll just put two on the MNQ and then add on the way up. Obviously, I'm still working this ES one right here. Whoa. It'll pop up there, huh?
I was gonna say, I mean, above 62, you almost got to think it's going to go up. Where's the area here again? I mean, do we do it again? Tell me now, because it's setting up. Or is that too many times?
I don't know. I'm thinking about this for a second. No.
Never mind.
So I don't think so.
No, Tick Strike just lit up green too. ES also. And the EFTs, everything is green. This is going up a little bit. Yep, going up.
Tick Strike. Ooh, it's time for my pain man.
Qs are green. Qs are green. Spies green. Everything's green. Yeah, it's green.
Oh,
Oh,
wow.
look at that.
Glad I'm sitting on sidelines for.
Just let this thing do what it wants to do.
I still got that one account that I'm scaling into the shorts. I'm not that worried about it, but it's MES, and I've got it all the way up to the all-time highs that I've scaled into. So, I mean, have to be like.
If I go short on the S here, I don't know, man.
The level I have is a little bit higher than that. At 30.
40.
Around
No.
30. Yeah, I don't know about this level here that I have here. I think around 38.
38. Okay. Oh wait. I don't need another trade right now. I can wait.
I mean, there's just a lot. I still haven't established which side this level's on. I think it might be up a little bit higher, around 30, 38. Yeah. Yeah, that may actually be where the level's at now that I'm looking at it. Closer to 38. Yeah, that's probably closer to where the level's at here. Somewhere close to here. I mean, this is close enough. Somewhere close to here is where the level is.
What the hell was that? Was that...
Well, I know what it is. Is it one ticked into my freaking limit order and didn't give me a new one? I was like, come on, and it did it like two times in a row. Come on, you could have given me just one more tick higher. You could have gone and given me another contract and let me take a target here. No, it's not going to let me do it. That's fine.
Missed that entry.
I don't know if that was a miss, man. That jumped around really quick.
Yeah.
That's why I'm scaling into this short on the MES, I mean. I'm pretty comfy with that. I gotta go get my muscle relaxer. I'll be right back.
We do some lunch.
Yeah, I'm just gonna sit here and grind out this short
trade.
play. Yeah, and look for an opportunity on another account while I'm grinding out the. Yeah, lunch is fine. I mean, I'm not hungry.
I don't need how much. I do like a 30-minute break. Be back at 12:30.
Okay.
And trade into the end of the day. We'll be good. I can trade all day today.
Okay.
All right, I'll be back in about 20 minutes, 30 minutes.
All right. I'll ice my back again, I guess.